You're sitting in a quiet room. And suddenly, your stomach growls, loud enough for everyone to hear. But what actually causes that sound? It's not your stomach begging for food, it's your digestive system staying ready. Here's what happens. Your stomach and intestines use muscle contractions to move food along. This process is called peristalsis, and it doesn't stop, even when you're empty. When there's no food, those contractions still happen, but now they're just pushing around air and digestive juices. That's what creates the rumbling noise, called borborygmi. It's basically your gut saying, "System's ready, just waiting on delivery." And the longer you go without eating, the louder it gets, because your body is trying to trigger action. So the next time your stomach growls, it's not malfunction. It's your body sending a signal, "Feed me now."